Hi, welcome to the August Box. Today we're going to be opening the OwlCrate Jr Box. Let's open it up. First is a Thieves in the Night, August 2019 Thieves in the Night. Next is a little burglar mask. Let's open this burglar mask up. There's even something in the back of it which looks like this. And then on the back of it, it looks like this. But if you do it this way, it looks like this. I'll get the robber today. Next is Aladdin funko. On the back, it shows Aladdin, Jasmine, Genie, and Jafar. You could open it up like this to see it. And then next, this has a little bag. I think somebody sold something. There's a little gem that's like this, if you turn around. There's also this, it shows a gem. This says the target and the goal. Let's see what's inside it. Oh, it's a little notebook. Next is Robin Hood and Little John. Magnets.
Magnetic bookmarks.
Magnetic bookmarks. Next is a book called The Good Thieves. It's like this. In the back it says it's stealing back what was already stolen. He said, good thieves. Necessary thieves, said Violet. Oh. And right here it shows this. The author wants the reader to read this. I think it says, dear reader. I don't know how to read cursive. And then on the back it shows this. And then when Vita's grandfather mansion is taken from by powerful real estate tycoon, Vita knows it's up to her make things right. With the help of a pickpocket and her new circus friends, Vita creates the plan. Break into the mansion, steal back what's rightful her grandfather's, expose the real estate tycoon for the crook he truly is. But 1920s Manhattan is ever-changing and full of secrets. It might take more than Vita's rat-tagging of misfits outsmart the city that never sleeps. Award-winning author Catherine Rundell has created an utterly gripping tour force about loyalty, trust, and the lengths to which we'll go for ones we love.
Is there something special about the book?
No. On this page, though, it says the name of the author. And there's two more things. The theme of the this is an Owcrate Jr magazine. Last but not least, The theme of September for OwlCrate Jr is Legends of the Deep. Dive deep into eerie aquatic mystery this September. Next month's book pick is the first of a delightful, creepy new series full of quirky characters, suspicious secrets, and mythical creatures. This book is perfect for fans of Nevermore, a series of unfortunate events. P.S. If you're already a subscriber, your account should renew automatically. Yay! That's it from the Explorers. Bye! Wrap some more things though.